What's up everyone? So today is day number 2 owning my Audi R8. We're gonna give it some TLC, wash it up a bit, do some general maintenance before I take it home. Then we're gonna give the truck a wash. The first thing we're gonna do today is buff out a couple spots on the hood. Now what we found yesterday is actually the whole entire front clamshell, the whole bumper and everything has a layer of PPF on it, which is excellent. That's gonna avoid any kind of chips. But there are some spots we need to buff out. There's a couple surface scratches and some marks. There's some on the side blades. Very easy to do. We're just gonna buff them out. Hopefully they'll all come out. It is time for a cold start.
First cold start.
First cold start. You ready?
Yep.
Come on. How did that sound?
Pretty meaty.
Yeah?
Still wouldn't mind a better exhaust, but it sounds pretty good.
A little louder.
Yeah. Maddie likes it.
First thing we're gonna do is add a fire extinguisher like Brian did with the Nismo. This was only, what, $12?
Yeah.
$13? So I'd rather be safe with this kind of vehicle, give myself a little more reassurance. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put this on the shelf behind the seats. That's gonna be the easiest way to grab it. So I think this is gonna be the safest and easiest way to get to it. But this has to be on its side, right?
Yeah, do it like that.
Like that. But now, if it was, let's just say, I know it's just mocked up here. How would I slide it out right now?
Well, you gotta reach back there
You know what I
and
mean?
yank it.
So, if this is around here like that,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
And then this is, I would want it kind of sideways like that, I guess, huh?
Yep.
So now, in a situation, oh, so that's easy. And then it would be ready to,
Just pull that and pull it
you
off.
have to pull this off?
Don't do it though, yeah.
I know. And slide it right out.
Yep.
All right guys, so that is the first mod for the vehicle, the fire extinguisher mod. Hopefully it going around turns and stuff, it won't move too much. And yeah, I think that's the easiest spot to put it. It's quick. Don't want to put it in the front because if something were to go wrong with the car and I can't open that, this is easily and readily available.
And this has like brand new Pilot Super Sports. They were put on, what, 1,000 miles ago?
2,000.
Sweet.
So what I say, 39?
Yeah.
30, 32, 34. We could put in a pump. What I say for the rear, 34, 36. Yeah, that could use some air. So it looks like they glued it in.
We can just cut that right out.
Yeah, I don't care about destroying this, but
Yeah, the sensor's good.
let me see that other one. Yeah, I want to at least get this out and then protect the wires. So for the viewers at home, this car has a built-in radar detection system. We actually checked it out inside the car and it works. I just don't like, look at this, like 140,000.
Either get this repainted or we'll do something to fix that, but
Yeah.
we'll just take the sensor and hide it under this bar.
Alright. Silly Maddie. I can't. I'm pushing it farther away. There it is. One happy dog. Car's all cleaned up, it is looking good. It's time for us to take a break, have some wings, then get on to the buffing.
It's hard to see in this light, but
Yeah.
there's stuff there and there.
So I don't think the camera can pick up this one right here.
Yeah. In the direct
But-
sunlight and under LED,
Yeah.
you can see a lot of the marks. We're not going too crazy. It's more of like a power wax, really, just a nice polishing. We're not gonna really cut it too much.
And again, the whole front is PPF'd, which is really nice.
Yeah, we
So this
kinda-
should, we're not gonna damage the paint or anything. But
Nothing can go wrong.
famous last words.
Just kinda.
Finished polishing the hood, got some of the scratches out, looks much cleaner than it did before. So the Audi is now completely done. It's ready for me to take home. Time to clean the Tacoma. both vehicles all cleaned up. The Tacoma is actually gonna be parked in that spot for about the next week. I need to come back and pick it up next week. Obviously, I can't drive 2 cars at the same time home. So it's time to take the first road trip in the R8. Here we go. Saying bye to the family. I'll see them next week to pick up the Tacoma. Hopefully you guys can see that through the back. Loading up the frunk space, I pretty much took up that entire space, and I'm not sure if the camera can see it or not. My ginormous computer is sitting right next to me, so I think it's time to get a laptop at some point. But I will be back next week to get the Tacoma. I need to hop on the bike, bring it back here, put it in the truck, and that way I can bring both back home with me. But next weekend is going to be very exciting because Brian will be getting his new car. I can't wait to head back to check that out as well. I've got about a 2-hour drive ahead of me. I'm gonna catch up with you guys about halfway. All right, guys, it is time. Getting on the first on-ramp. Sorry for that. That's the radar detection system. I wanted to see if that worked. First time using it. Woo! Oh my gosh. This thing is so quick, so much fun. The only thing I don't like right now though is my water bottle is in the way, but I can't complain because that gives me at least a cup holder to use. So far driving my car on the highway, I can really see why they designed this to be an everyday supercar. I'm so comfortable right now. I have 4-way adjustability lumbar support, which is great. It's giving me enough adjustment to get the seat the way I like it. It's just so comfortable inside. I can easily see more adventures and more road trips happening in the R8. I can't believe I'm behind the wheel of this right now. It's so much fun. It's not too loud. Going highway speed, the RPM is just under 3,000, so it's really quiet. You really can't even notice it. And taking bridge bumps like this, I have it in the normal suspension setup and it absorbs them well. I can't wait to use the sport setup, or the sport suspension setup on some back roads. Hopefully I can do that and film that really soon. Ooh, yeah, nice. That was a 570S Spider with the top down. Oh, I hope you guys could see that go by. That was bright orange, and I'm glad I had the camera for that. We were both looking at each other. That was a nice spec. But I will have a full tour video of this car coming soon, just to show you guys a little bit more of it, get some exhaust clips, hopefully take it to the mountains soon. All right, we're coming up to another on-ramp. This never gets old. Let me get my computer situated. Oh, car's in front of me. Oh, that doesn't get old. I love it. I love it. This has been a super comfortable drive for me so far. One thing I wanted to point out is the visibility in this. For being a mid-engine 2-door coupe, I like the fact that the visibility in this is almost pretty much 360 degree. Like, coming from my Lotus Evora, the back glass was pretty useless. In this one, I can easily see the 3 lanes behind me. I can look over my right shoulder when I need to merge and easily see back out that window. So it is super easy. You don't have to worry about any blind spots or things like that. But just sitting back, cruising, I'm going about 70 miles an hour right now at 3,000 RPM. It's super quiet. You can't really hear the exhaust. There's a little bit of tire noise, I guess I would say. A little bit of road noise, but other than that, I mean, if I have the radio on, I'm really not going to hear that. But so far, it's a really, really comfortable highway cruiser. Then when I'm ready, I'll get it out on the back roads, and I cannot wait for that. That is going to be so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video again with the R8. Next weekend, we get to pick up Brian's new car. So I can't wait to head back home, check out his car, take it for a drive, and just have fun. I won't have this there just yet, so we won't get them together at the moment, but I can't wait to get this and his car together at some point in the future. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you click on that subscribe button because we have so many awesome plans coming, especially with the R8 now. Comment down below, let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see, and I will see you guys next video.